Searching for the best car DVD player feels like falling into a rabbit hole of identical-looking screens, same 5-hour battery claims, and headrest mounts that all look the same. But here's what they don't show you up front: which ones actually survive bumpy roads, which ones don't freeze mid-movie, and which ones won't leave your kids arguing over who gets to watch what. Product number 1: DBPOWER 11.5 Portable. Let's start with the DBPOWER 11.5-inch portable DVD player, a solid budget-friendly option at around $64. Right off the bat, the swivel screen grabs attention. It flips 270 degrees and folds flat, so you can angle it perfectly for backseat viewers or mount it on the headrest without straining necks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2500 mAh battery gives a real 5 hours of playback, enough for a long road trip or a cross-country flight. It supports all the standard formats like DVD, CD, VCD, and even USB or SD cards up to 32 GB, so you're not stuck with just discs. The dual stereo speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, and the remote control works from a decent distance. Plus, the last memory function means if the car turns off, it picks up right where it left off, no more rewinding 20 minutes of Frozen for the third time. Now, some people complained about the screen resolution. It's only 800x480, which feels a bit dated compared to HD screens. Colors aren't as vibrant, and text can look pixelated if you're watching something with subtitles. Here's the thing though, for kids watching cartoons or classic Disney movies, it's more than enough. You're not editing photos on this thing, you're keeping a toddler entertained while you drive. And at this price, totally acceptable. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills DVD player that just works. Skip this one if you're planning to watch high-definition content or need sharper visuals. For the price, it delivers solid value and peace of mind on long drives. Product number 2: WONNIE 12 Dual Screen. Now, if the DBPOWER single screen left you worried about sibling fights, the WONNIE 12-inch dual-car DVD player solves that problem head-on. Priced around $193, this is a premium setup, 2 full-size 12-inch screens, each with its own disc drive. You can play the same movie on both or let each kid watch something different. If you want to eliminate backseat battles and give everyone their own entertainment zone, this is the real deal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The upgraded chip delivers clearer, more stable video, even on bumpy roads. The mounting brackets are reinforced to prevent drops, which is huge if you drive on rough terrain or have energetic kids kicking the seats. Each unit has dual stereo speakers, individual volume controls, 0-20 levels, and headphone jacks so one kid can listen loud while the other sleeps. Plus, the 5-hour rechargeable battery and 3 power modes, car charger, wall adapter, and battery mean you're covered no matter where you are. Now, some people complained about the weight, over 8 pounds total, and the fact that it's bulky to store when not in use. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be portable like a tablet. It's a dedicated in-car entertainment system. If you're taking a week-long family trip and need reliable dual-screen piece, the size and weight are a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have 2 kids who can't agree on movies or you want a professional-grade setup for long hauls. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. For frequent travelers, it's worth every penny. Product number 3: FANGOR 7.5 Dual Screen. Alright, that WONNIE was powerful, but maybe overkill if you've got younger kids or a smaller car. Enter the FANGOR 7.5-inch dual screen, a compact mid-range option at $90. It comes with one main DVD player and a secondary LCD screen, so you're not paying for 2 disc drives. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The clamshell design lets you change discs without removing the unit, huge when you're parked at a rest stop with impatient kids. The last memory function works flawlessly, and the AV out port lets you sync both screens to a TV at home. Battery life is solid, 5 hours on the main unit, about 2.5 when powering both screens. It supports all major formats, including USB and SD cards, so you're not limited to physical discs. Now, some people complain that the secondary screen isn't a full DVD player, you can't pop in a second disc. Here's the thing though, most families don't actually need two separate movies. One movie, two screens, that's often enough to keep peace. And at half the price of the WONNIE Dual, it's a smarter buy for casual use. This is perfect for you if you want dual screen viewing, but don't need two disc drives. Skip this one if your kids insist on watching completely different content. It's a great middle ground pick for families who want flexibility without overspending. Product number 4, SUNPIN 11.5 Swivel Screen. Now, if you like the DBPOWER but want something with a brighter, more immersive screen, the SUNPIN 11.5-inch portable is a standout at $58. The 9.5-inch swivel display rotates 270 degrees and folds 180, perfect for sharing or private viewing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brightness-enhanced LCD screen makes a noticeable difference in daylight. No more squinting or adjusting angles just to see the action. It supports DVD, CD, USB, and SD cards and includes a remote, car charger, and headrest mount, everything you need out of the box. The dual earphone jacks are a nice touch, letting two kids listen privately without fighting over one jack. Now, some people complained about the lack of Blu-ray support, but honestly, who's putting Blu-ray discs in a car DVD player? Most kids' movies are still on standard DVD, and USB playback covers digital files just fine. Here's the thing, this player isn't built for high-end media nerds. It's built for parents who need simplicity, durability, and a screen that's easy to see. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, swivel screen player that's ready to go right out of the box. Skip this one if you need advanced formats or dual disc drives. For under $60, it's one of the best value picks on this list. Product number 5, WONNIE 10.5 Dual DVD. Finally, the WONNIE 10.5-inch dual DVD player, a slightly more compact version of their 12-inch model, priced at $149. It offers two full DVD drives, HD 1280x800 resolution, and individual volume controls. If you want high-quality dual playback without the massive size of the 12-inch, this is the Goldilocks option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The higher resolution screen delivers sharper images, great for older kids watching action movies or anime. Each unit has its own disc tray, so no swapping discs mid-movie. The mounting system is sturdy and the 2-in-1 car charger powers both units at once. Plus, the last memory function works perfectly, even after the car has been off for hours. Now, some people complained about the complexity. With two players, there are more cables and remotes to manage. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it runs smoothly. The initial setup takes 10 minutes, but then it's plug and play. If you're doing frequent long drives, that setup time pays off fast. This is perfect for you if you want dual disc drives with better resolution than the FANGOR but don't need the giant 12-inch screens. Skip this one if you only travel occasionally. For families with two movie-loving kids, it's a smart investment. So which one should you pick? The DBPOWER is your budget hero. The WONNIE 12-inch is the luxury dual-screen king. The FANGOR offers smart dual-screen value. The SUNPIN shines with brightness and ease, and the WONNIE 10.5-inch strikes the best balance of size and performance. No matter your need, peace, power, or price, one of these will keep your backseat quiet and your drive smooth.